Hi, it's Kyle Chester-Marsden from Fieldpiece Instruments. Today I would like to share some information with you regarding our JL3RH job link psychrometers. So did you know that our psychrometers have an easy switch function to allow for both return and supply measurements of a system? If we take a look at the back section of the tool, right next to the battery compartment, you'll see here a toggle switch that can select either return or supply, which results in versatile measurements of a system. This ensures that the measurements can be viewed on the correct part of the system in combination with our job link application or SMAN manifold. And to accompany this, we also have a quick color indicator at the bottom of the tool to know which is which at just a glance. Red indicating return and blue indicating supply. This means you can take those crucial air on and air off temperature measurements on a system easier, faster and better using the Fieldpiece JL3RH job link psychrometers. And so thanks for watching and stay tuned for more great videos.